What is blended learning? Blended learning meaning a teaching practice that combines or blends classroom and online learning. The instruction of a lesson occurs with both teacher interaction and computing devices, also known as hybrid learning. For example, Thomas learns about algebra is from his teacher, then goes to the computer lab to practice algebra questions using a math program. Blended learning models. Blended learning can be implemented in many unique ways, generally using a combination of one or more of the following models. Number 1. Station rotation blended learning. Number 2. Lab rotation blended learning. Number 3. Individual rotation blended learning. Number 4. Flipped classroom blended learning. Number 5. Flex and a la carte blended learning. Number 6. Enriched virtual blended learning. Number 7. Project-based blended learning. Number 8. Self-directed blended learning. Number 9. Inside-out blended learning. Number 10. Outside-in blended learning. Number 11. Supplemented blended learning. Number 12. Mastery-based blended learning. Blended learning advantages. Provides personalized training experiences, round-the-clock access to training resources, track employee performance and skill development, reduction in training costs, better communication and collaborative learning. Blended learning disadvantages. Learners must have basic technology knowledge or a willingness to learn. High technology setup and maintenance costs, wastage of offered resources, technological dependence. Can you memorize what is blended learning? Blended learning meaning a teaching practice that combines or blends classroom and online learning. The instruction of a lesson occurs with both teacher interaction and computing devices, also known as hybrid learning. For inspiration, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Aristotle.